In this video, I'll be showing you how you can collect data from your Google Forms into your Google Sheet. So you can see this on your screen here. This is my Google Sheet and this is my Google Form here. I just created this for the video, so I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So you can see anytime this is being filled, the information is being recorded here on the Google Sheet. So now let's start. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Now let's open a new spreadsheet like this, and what we are going to do is we move to the tools here. Good, and you can see it creates a new form. So now let's just tap on that to create one for ourselves. Good, and now we have a spreadsheet here, so we are just going to design it just like I did for this. It's very simple. So to change the theme, we just tap on this to change the theme first. Good, let's make the color this like the other one there. And now the font too, let's change it to Times New Roman, question to Times New Roman as well. And the header color, the header image, if you have an image, if it's for your company or something of that sort, you can upload. Let me try putting this here. Something like that, and I insert it. Good, and you can see it appears here. So this is for the logo section. And now let me use the channel's name just like I did in other one. Okay, brother. Tech, and then questionnaire. Good. You can make it bold if you want to, or anything of that sort. You add a description, maybe kindly fill this, blah 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 there. Good. And then here's for their email. Anytime someone is trying to fill a form, there's an email section there. This is for them. So now we try to create our questions. It's very simple. You see this here? Tap on it to add a question. Good. I think I have a full video on something like this. Enter the question here. Like a question like, have you subscribed yet? Question mark. And then this is the type of the question. So let's say you want it to be a paragraph. That's, they can enter a lot of stuff there. Yeah. And then checkbox, multiple choice question, drop down. You get it. And even if you want them to upload a file, it's up to you. These are simple stuff. So let's say it's for a job interview or something. I don't want it to be a long. Let's just choose checkbox. Option 1, yes. Option 2, no. Add another option. Right, you add another option like this, order, or let's remove the order. Add option, and let's make it I will not subscribe. Yeah. And then let's add another question by tapping on this here, and we are done with question 1. You can see yes, they can check yes, no, or they don't want to subscribe. And this is another question too. We can make this one a file upload. Continue. So I allow that. Good. Upload your CV or file. Good. So I come down here, then I'll allow specific file types. So PDF, a doc, and an image. That's it. Number of uploads should be 1, maximum size 10 megabytes. And if you want it to be compulsory, you check the required. If they don't upload it, they will not get the chance to submit the form. Adding a question, just like I said, same style here. And who are you? Simple as that. You make it a short answer, something like that, so they can enter, oh, my name is Michael, I'm from here, I have a degree, I'm doing my master's, I did blah blah blah. Good. And now we are done. So now we are done with our questions. So we have enough questions, I think. 3 questions. Good. So as we are done, what we are going to do next is we can tap on this to view it, to preview it in a new page. So you can see this is how your questions are going to appear to the people. Now, since we are done with the questions, what we are going to do is we are going to share it. Good. So we can publish it here. Tap on publish. And then we need to manage and make this thing to anyone with a link. So anyone with a link can respond. Done. Good. And now we publish it. Good. After publishing it, we have a link here. You can shorten the link by checking it like this to shorten it. Copy it just go and give it to anybody. Just copy it and paste the link to anywhere you find yourself. Let me come here. So something like this, copy it and give it to them. When they tap on it, it should redirect them to this form here. Anytime someone fills it, it should appear here just like this. Simple and easy. Anytime someone fills it, it's automatically going to be inserted here. Push to down, push down, push down like that. And your questions are going to appear here as the columns. You don't need to worry about anything. Google Sheet is very, very much simple to use. It's going to appear here automatically by itself. You don't need to be doing anything complex. Yeah, there's nothing difficult. So that's it on how you can collect data in a Google Sheet from your Google Forms. And you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I think I've covered everything, and I've even taught how to create questions and all that using the Google Forms. That's it. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and just like I said, you have any question, let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.